You're watching Trebone Designs, Bobby Rhodes. Thanks so much for coming back onto my channel. Today I have something really special. It's my favorite part of decorating for Christmas. We're going to be decorating my Christmas tree. As you can see, I have already set up the tree and it has been fluffed. So from here we're going to go ahead and start the process. The first thing I always start with when decorating my Christmas tree is my tree topper. This year I'm going with a frosted, more glamorous type of look. So I'm going to start with my branches at the top. I have frosted branches of evergreens, I have berries, I have birch branches. I have all types of things to give me that glam look. And at the bottom I'm going to add some rose gold embellished branches. Next, I'm going to add my ribbon. This is one of the best parts of designing your tree because it really starts to fill out the tree and give it some dimension and depth. What I have is a gold laced embellished ribbon that's really substantial and very elegant and beautiful. Then I'm going to go over that with a rose gold and light gold designed ribbon that's really beautiful as well. I'm just going to weave that throughout the tree from the top to the bottom, and I go deep inside of the tree and then I come back out. That's what I call ribbon dips. It just really accentuates the tree and makes it really beautiful. I also do ribbon curls as well to give it a little bit of differentiality. Next, I'm going to start to add my ornaments. And when I do that, I usually start with my filler ornaments, which are larger spheres and baubles that go deep within the tree. I typically like to do that to fill it out and really take care of that open space that you won't see directly inside of the tree. Now I'm going to be adding my picks. I have 3 to 4 different types of picks that I'm going to add to my tree. This is going to help give it, more dimension as well and elongate some of those branches. I have frosted branches of evergreens. I also have icicle branches and just, different types of greens that, are all different from each other. to really make the tree look rich and elegant. That's one key thing that I always would like to tell any client or customer. Add different types of branches to your tree. It really helps give it dimension and gives it that rich, elegant look that you're looking for. Here I'm going to show some close-ups of some of the more decorative and embellished pics that I have. Here are some with, the little light-colored pink baubles on them and white branches and leaves with the pine cones. And then next I have some rose gold magnolia leaves. These were absolutely beautiful. I love these. So I'm going to add these to the tree as well, and you'll see how these look. As you can see, I did add those magnolia leaves as well as the branches and the decorative picks. I also added my finishing ornaments. As you can see, those large finials and statement pieces that really starts to make your tree come together. I think this has come out amazing. And here is the jewelry of the Christmas tree. I have here some rose gold poinsettias and magnolia blooms in 2 different shades of rose gold. I think these are so pretty, and they're going to really finish off the tree very beautifully. Well, here it is, the finished product. I think this came out absolutely amazing. I typically do a more traditional red and green themed Christmas tree, but this year I want to do something different. I think the tones of rose gold, blush, and ivory, as well as gold, came out beautiful. As you can see at the bottom, I have matching packages, as well as some beautiful satin ivory fabric. It really finishes off the base of the tree. All the elements really do come together, and I absolutely love it. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for coming on to my channel, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any new uploads. Once again, my name is Bryant, and this is Trevon Designs by Decorators.